Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do the viral circle transition. So the first thing you do is that you click this clip, you go to freeze, then you go to overlay. Make it about 0.3 seconds. So make sure it's on front of the clip. Okay, so that's alright. Let me just adjust it a bit. So this is what you have now. Let me just mute it. So this is what you have now. So what you do is that you've got to get overlays. If you need the overlays, they're in my Discord. Please do also join. All my notifications are there, so whenever I post any videos you receive them in my Discord. So there are 2 overlays you need. Just get the other one. Okay, so these are the 2 overlays you need. So I'm splitting this one, bring this one aside. So this is going to be your circle. So adjust it. So you have this. So first you go to the clip, you choose mask, you go to circle, now adjust it. What you do is that you make it, you get a little feather, about 4 is alright. So this is what you have now. You duplicate it, make sure it's on the circle transition, the circle overlay, sorry. So this is what you have. You go to mask, then you invert the clip. You make sure that the circle is on top. So you go to layers, then click front, and that's how you get that. So you also duplicate the circle. So when you see this blue line, then it goes down there. So now we've got everything. So we've got to put keyframes at the back of each clip. Okay, so for the first clip, got to go to the beginning, go to basic, give it some rotation, give it about 50. It all depends on you. Then you give it the scale, make it 1. For the circle, you just make the scale 1. Right, so you've got this. So this is what you've got now. So you go to the second clip, you just do the opposite. So you give it a little bit, -13 will be alright. Sorry, so you go to scale and make it big, make sure you don't see it. So that's alright. So 210 is alright. Go here, just make it 210. So we're almost done. So we've got this now. This is what we've got at the moment. So for the last part, we get the animation, speed it up a bit, about 0.4, that should be alright. Drag this there. Now just adjust it. Now what we've got to do, we've got to go to splice, click filter, and that should be it. So this is it. So this is the viral circle transition. Make sure that the circle are quite the same, so they get the transition. Leave a like and subscribe.